Hey guys, time to shop as fast as we can. This place has everything. We especially need the perfect master bed. Ooh, they even have fish today. Pink and yellow, this might work. Feathers, this could work for the bird theme. These area rugs might be the ones. Ooh, they have couches that turn into beds. Boom. Okay. This will be good. Kids could sleep on this. Even like crazy cushions, every color. I rearrange the store all the time when I'm here. And look, even pumpkins. This is the bed section. We've got to find the perfect bed. Sometimes stores don't have very many king beds, or you have to like wait 6 weeks, 8 weeks for an order. Here, anything you see on the floor you can get today, and then we're gonna go pick it up at the warehouse. For Trina's room, I really want a green. I think we're gonna do the wall green, so the bed can't be green. Ooh, this is beautiful. This might be nice, but maybe it's too white, too boring. It's too much like the kitchen. This one maybe? I need a nap. I've been up all night trying to get ready for reveal. Wake me up later. Stay tuned to see which one I pick.